Hi, my name is Arthur Johansson, or AJ for short, and I love to read and I love to teach people how to read. And so does Julia Donaldson, apparently. That's the author of this amazing book series. And she has written many books that are focused on teaching kids how to read with phonics. And they're good stories and they're fun and they've got great pictures and illustrations as well. And so this particular series is called Songbirds Phonics, and I'm going to use that to help you learn how to read. This book right here, we're going to read it, and it's got just a few simple sounds to focus on. Some short, just a couple short vowel sounds, ah and ah, and then just a few consonants. So let's read it. All right, I'm going to use the phonics. Here's the first letter. Ready? T, ah, p, t, ah, p, top. K, at, k, at, cat, top cat. There he is. There's the top cat. Look at him. Look how proud he is of himself. He's giving a big smile and he's pointing to himself like, yeah, that's me. I'm top cat. And there's like fireworks around him. And look at these other cats. There's a white cat and a black cat, and they're just looking at him like, who's this guy? We don't know this cat. They're confused, but let's see. Let's read some more. Next page. Aha, there he is again. He's standing here at the doorstep, and he's up higher than those two cats. Okay, and he's pointing at himself again with his big smile. Let's see. We'll read it. This letter all by itself sounds I. That's a word. I. A, m, am, t, a, p, t, up, top, k, at, cat. I am top cat. There he is again. He's telling them how great he is, and they're just looking up at him. There's a little bird down here looking at him too. Let's see what happens on the next page. Oh, now the cat is here, and there's another cat up here. And this cat looks happy, and now this cat is not happy. He's like, "Urgh." Let's read. Am, I, t, up, top, k, at, cat. Am I top cat? Oh, now there's another cat in the picture here who thinks they are the top cat. And these other two cats are just watching. Now they're seeing who is the top cat. Aha! See? The black cat got on top of the table, and now he's higher than this cat, and he's smiling again, and this cat's not happy. And then this cat said, I am, I am. And then again, I am, I am. So he's up there on the table. He's like, I am, I am. He's taunting the other cat. And these two cats are like, uh-oh. We see what's going on here. There's a competition. Who's going to be the top cat? Let's see on the next page. Oh. This cat is in the windowsill. And this cat's on the table. And this cat's bragging again. He's got his arms up like, yeah. He says, remember, this letter is a word. Sounds like I, am, t, up, top, k, at, cat. I am top cat. Okay, he keeps saying that. I don't know if it's he or she, but whatever. This cat says, I am top cat. And this cat doesn't like it. Again. So what's going to happen? Oh, now look. This cat's way up in the tree. And definitely higher than this other cat. And this cat isn't happy again. Arr. Oh, and there's, what's down here? Some toys and some balloons. This cat up in the tree's got the big smile with his arms up. And this one says, am I t up top at cat? Am I top cat? Here we go again. What's the black cat gonna do? How can you be higher than that cat in the tree? What do you think? Is he gonna go on top of the tree? Let's see. Oh. The cat got the balloons and now it's floating up and higher than the other cat. Ready? I am. This cat is higher than that cat. He's thinking, I won. I'm the top cat. But wait a minute. What's going to happen? What's going to happen to this cat and his balloons going up? Oh no! Look, the bird was flying and went right in the balloons with his sharp beak. And the balloons went pop. That word says pop. The balloons popped. Oh, and look at the cat. Uh-oh. That cat's going down. He's falling. Oh no, he fell down. And this other cat is still in the tree with a big smile. And am I t up top at cat? Am I top cat? I think so. He won in the end. That's the end of the story.